love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning. It's just before 11, about 10 of 11 on Friday, the 26th of July, I believe. It'll be a nice day in the 80s, high 70s, low 80s, and humidity is low. For all you horror movie buffs, we got a surprise for you today. We're gonna check out a place. We won't tell you what it is until we get there. So, this movie was made in 1968. 1968.
I'll give you a clue. George Romero. That's about it.
Yeah, it's a black and white movie.
The actors were phenomenal with this selection.
Oh, and after that, we got another place. We're going to go out of this world. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Always a good view on 861. We love going out of town and looking at the countryside. Just gonna wait for this guy to
Get it out of first gear.
get up. That's cute. There he goes. I guess he got a neutral. He's going downhill. They're going down a steep downgrade. Coming off of what's that, Brady East Brady Overlook. Going into East Brady. It's a pretty steep hill.
At the end of the street, turn right.
We will. Because if we don't, we'll go into the Allegheny River. Oh, we're going to Evans City. They're going to block the traffic. Oh. Thank you. All right. We made it to Evans City. I didn't turn it on earlier. Too many traffic lights.
Keep left to Unpaved Road.
It's coming up. Okay, the road is coming up. Watch the movie. We're not going to tell you what it is. God bless you, hon.
Yep.
There it is.
To Unpaved Road.
We found it. Evans City Cemetery. Figure out what movie it is yet?
We're coming to you, Barbara.
Your maps on Unpaved Road.
Let's shut this off. Okay.
Oh, look at the plots.
Yep. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. We'll get closer without going off the road. Okay. Oops. Oh, a little spinny on the rear tire. A cardinal just went in front of us. Evans City Cemetery, January 7th, 1891. We're still not giving you any clues?
I can.
Nah. Well, go ahead, give a clue without giving the name of the movie.
I won't. They're coming to get you, Bob.
Okay.
Oh my.
Where?
Get out.
It's around here somewhere we're looking for.
Is that the no-name statue right there?
Maybe. This should be it. I don't know. I think we can drive up here.
Yeah.
Nope. We'll find it. We're looking for it now. Oops. Dragon Bottom. I'll let you know when we find it. Okay, we found it. Now this is from the movie.
No, this isn't from the movie. This is just
Oh,
pictures.
this is a picture.
Yeah, Blair is from the movie.
Okay.
It's a baby.
This was 1917, and on the other side is the baby. So we walk around. Oh, they got a whole bunch of them. This is the whole family is here.
Yeah.
I guess it's all in here, the whole family. Okay.
And it's from that side.
Okay, okay. If you see it, this is this. See if I can get a narrow. Okay, this is a narrow shot. I think in the movie you see that.
You see like half of that, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna do that.
That's what I did. I got Blair, I got the air, I think, in there and there. Okay. That's in the movie, and the movie is
Night of the Living Dead.
it was filmed here in 1968. Ta-da! the horror movie.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.
Ah, yes, and this is the road they went down, I think.
Yeah. Because that's
Yeah.
when the man came out of the,
Mm-hmm.
you know, just walking.
How's that again? Okay. Now we're going to go to the unknown tomb. Maybe this was the road she was on, because they parked the car up here and they walked to the right to the grave and to put the cross on it. So it was this road they rolled the car down. And it's probably that tree way down there that they hit. Okay, this is a tomb, I guess, unknown. It says, eternally grateful to all the veterans on the chairs. birds calling us. They got names, but I can't make it out. It was dedicated May 25th, 1986. Oh, rededicated.
Dedicated? Rededicated.
Oh, okay. It was dedicated August 29th, 1894. And rededicated on May 25th, 1986. Oops. Probably can't make it out. No, it's too hard to read it.
Yes, that's got a lot of rocks on it, wherever that.
This says John A. Irwin Fire Company, 1896. 1896. There's a few things in this tree. Oh, this must be it. 1896. We think this is where they parked the car, and they walked over here, and then she ran back and they rolled down this hill.
Because she didn't have the keys.
Yep.
Well, I don't want to give the whole great movie away, but she rolled down this hill. I don't know why she couldn't keep going.
She crashed into a tree.
Yeah, but I don't understand why.
Could do it being attacked. I don't know.
Nope.
No?
Nope. She just slid up against the tree.
Didn't the guy smash out her window with a stone?
Yeah, that's when she took off.
Okay. Oh, we're giving too much of the movie away.
Oh, I know.
All right. On to the next.
I'd like to know which tree it was. Could have been that one.
Yeah, it could have been that one.
Yeah.
Alrighty. On to the next. I hope you enjoyed that. We did. That was an interesting thing. There's a lot of horror movies. A lot. Well, we came across 2 horror movies that was filmed in PA. It was Evans City. So stay tuned when we take you out of this world. I told you we're going out of this world. Our spaceship. Yeah, we're in the borough of Mars, PA. This is Mars, PA. They have their own spaceship going to Mars. Pretty cool. There you go. I'll zoom in. It's a good picture. There we are. Too bad they got the trash bins right next to this. This is the bell from the USS Mars. Okay, I'll let it pause there. Okay. See, we told you it would take you out of this world. Well, I hope you enjoyed your out of this world experience in Mars, PA. It was cute. We like finding all these crazy things. So we're heading back home, and hopefully my brake pads come in so I can change them because they're not sounding good. They're not scraping, but they're still scraping. I have to replace the rotors. I don't want to do that. So, stay tuned until we get closer to home. I don't know what town we're in. Saxonburg? Did I say that right?
Close enough.
Hairpin turn. Ah, that. That was a crazy road. Crazy corners. Home sweet home. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed the ride with us. A haunted.
Haunted.
Not haunted. It's a.
It's a memorial to the 1968 Walking Dead movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
We went to Mars.
And we went to Mars. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, subscribe.